Yo, so look, we on this. We always checking Euro USD first. I don't know why, but that's just what's happening. Made this big move. Why did it make this move? We on the 4-hour with it. We know market structure. So like, if you was to come on this bit and look at from July 17th, so like maybe a week or two ago, that's all you need to look at. You don't need to go all the way over here to try to figure out this, because this stuff right here, this over here, not gonna help you catch this. You have to just look at market structure. What is market structure? You see how this was going downtrend, this went up, and this just went straight down? Look, it created this low, and then this how it made this, so it's just in between them. If this right here broke, this right here broke it, and what caused this break? Could do this right here. So we wouldn't trade until it broke between them, but we could have caught this buy right here. But then break it. You could have caught this little sell. That's 50 pips, damn near. Broke this and it came back. Market structure, right? So it broke this. This market structure right here. Broke this. Let's pay attention to what I'm doing. Boom, boom, boom. So till it broke this, broke it, sell, fib. So the only way to catch it, you would have had a fib like this. You would have just had to get in, and it had these gap. So this was your confirmation, and this shit just shot skyrocket, and it's still doing that. But we catching the buy on this soon because they got to buy back up. What is 236? So if you want this buy, get ready for it. Gotta retrace market structure, and that's how we always draw it. And you gotta retrace, so you can get at least that on that. That's a quick 3K, 3 to 5K, damn near. 15 minutes to see what's going on. And this right here, I'm gonna personally get in. People be like the time of the day, blah blah, this and that. If I see a move, I'm entering. Feel like a gold buy. I'll show you why that's buying on gold. Yeah. I'm gonna go crazy with this one. Look, it's my exact move right here. I don't care what it do. I just know it gotta pull it back and give me a 1 to 3. That's just what I know. That's all I need. But let me show you gold real quick. This was a little buy that it did, but it didn't really go all the way up. But it shit is here. See the gist of it. And then people like, oh, this move don't look that smart. If you to go to this time frame right here, that's a move. You just had to get out early. And this was a Friday, so this was just quick shit. That's why I got in gold by, because market structure. Remember? here with it. It broke this, pull it back, and it broke this. So you know I'm blind, they gotta feel this. So that's the buy that I'm in. See that? It's an easy 1 to 3. So 1 to 3. Could have got that in, or you could let it hold, let it keep going. But yeah. A lot of people trade indices. You got a gap, so this was the high on this one. Pull it back a little bit here. This was the little sell I have marked up. See that? More than a little sell. This 600 points. Then you would have sold this. But it's an uptrend, so it may retrace here and keep going up. Gold going up with this doing. It's still noise. It's still selling though. Bitcoin bought up. It's great to sell if it's gonna follow its. So yeah.